Arjuna's confusion on the battlefield is such a powerful moment. He's the mighty warrior, the greatest archer. But when he sees his family, friends, and teachers on the other side, he's suddenly paralyzed by doubt. How can he fight his own people? He's wondering sadly.
It's almost as if all the bravado and strength he has shown up to this point fades away in the fear of the real consequences.
In such a deep conflict, when he's grappled between emotion and duty, he turns towards Krishna, his mentor and charioteer, for advice.
Who completely shifts Arjuna's perspective and tries to pull him out of his emotional confusion and shows him a bigger picture of reality.
Showing his Virat troop and clearing all his doubts by saying Karmanyava Adhikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachana, which means you have the right to work but never to the fruit of work.
True, Bimarsh, it's a very relatable moment. How often do we face situations where we know what needs to be done, but our feelings and fears pull us in the opposite direction? Arjuna's confusion is symbolic of that inner battle we all face at times.
Ladies and gentlemen, depicting this iconic saga of Mahabharata between Pandava Prince Arjun and Krishna.
Now we have a short musical ballet to illustrate that one must follow the path of truth and justice, and those who deny it are responsible for their own karma and the consequences.
Inspiring us not to deviate from the path of justice, whatever may be the results of it, or whoever comes in doing so.
महाभारत एक ऐसा युद्ध जिसमें धर्म के सामने अधर्म बड़ा हुआ, भाई के सामने भाई शस्त्र लेके खड़ा हुआ। निर्णय होगा कि कौन पहनेगा मुकुट और कौन झुकाएगा सिर। अब चल पड़ा सारथी कृष्ण का रथ और बरसेंगे अर्जुन के तीर।
मेरे भाई मेरे शत्रु बनकर सामने खड़े हैं और गुरु द्रोण पितामह मेरे पूजनीय और बड़े हैं। कैसे उठाऊं उनके सामने शस्त्र।
हे अर्जुन, मिटा दो हर संदेह, मिलेगा हर प्रश्न का उत्तर तेरा। दिव्य दृष्टि प्रदान करता हूं मैं, देखो अब विश्वरूप मेरा। पाप यदि ना बढ़ता तो ये युद्ध कदाचित ना होता। धर्मराज भी स्वयं कभी अपने संयम को ना खोता। एक नारी का वस्त्र हरण अब स्वयं तुम याद करो। छोड़ दो रिश्तों की डोर और अधर्मियों का नाश करो। ग्लानिर्भवति भारते अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्।